All right. This word does mean a food, but it also can mean multiple stuff, as we know. Now, in Master Azerbaijani word of the day, we have the word called yumurta. Yumurta. Yumurta is straightforward meaning egg, food egg, or ovum. How? Let's see. Chicken egg, boiled egg, or fertilized ovum. Medical term, basically. Chicken egg, TOYUQ yumurtası. See that s suffix there? Means the egg of the chicken. Boiled, qaynadılmış. Qaynadılmış, particularly boiled with water. Qaynadılmış yumurta. Fertilized, mayalanmış yumurta. Medical term. But let's go back to sentences. Səhər yeməyində duz və istiotla qaynadılmış yumurta yeməyi sevirəm. Çünki hem sadədir, hem de tez doyurur. At breakfast, I like to eat a boiled egg with salt and pepper because it is simple and filling. Səhər yeməyində, at breakfast. Duz və istiotla with salt and pepper. Qaynadılmış yumurta yeməyi sevirəm. I like to eat boiled egg. Çünki, because, hem sadədir. Well, literal translation here. Hem sadədir, both simple, hem de tez doyurur. Both fills out quickly. Literal translation, as I said. But the best way, because it's simple and filling. Now, Biologiya dərsində, did you notice? Biologiya, I say Biologiya. Müəllim mayalanmış yumurta hüceyrəsinin necə inkişaf etdiyini izah etdi və biz mikroskop altında nümunələrə baxdıq. Let's see. In biology class, Biologiya dərsində, ders class, the teacher, müəllim, explained, izah etdi, how fertilized egg cell develops. Yumurta hüceyrəsinin necə inkişaf etdiyini, necə inkişaf etmək, how develops. Bize izah etdi, explained to us, basically. Ve biz, and we, mikroskop. Microscope, you write, microscope, we say. Loan word, yes. Under the microscope. Mikroskop altında, under a microscope. Altında, under. Nümunələrə, to the samples, or at samples in this case, baxdıq, looked at samples. Nümunələrə baxdıq. Now, that was today's word yumurta. How else we can use it? Some fun ways, maybe. My plants cracked faster than a yumurta on a hot pan. To support in your journey, I have built masterazerbaijani.com since November 2025, where I am posting blogs every 10 days on multiple topics, historical, cultural, plus language and grammar. Check those out. Highly recommended. And I am also working on continuing adding audio to the app that I have built. That is available already in App Store and Google Store. Module 1 is waiting for you for free. It is the foundational module, highly recommended to do it multiple times. Plus, all the vocabulary from all the modules, plus future modules are waiting for you for free as well. Check those out. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow here. Cheers.